Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply an AI effect to your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the video button within the create new section. After that, tap on the video that you would like to edit. Click on the filter button down below, which is the fifth option. Tap on AI effect down below, that's the second one. And at the top of this gray section, you can see 4 categories: line, clone, style, and celebrate. So if you would like to apply any of these effects, here you can see how they look like as you slide to the right side of the screen. All you have to do is clicking on the relevant one, and then an audio will appear in your video with the AI effect as well simultaneously. So just simply click on it and then tap on the checkmark icon on the right side next to the categories, and basically that's it. The effect will be applied to your video. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.